ये तो 38 है, अब 38 कितना है?
90% of the booths have got compromised. This is what is happening. Police do not want to instruct female constables to check the face and with the voter ID. And if somebody wants to make a big issue out of it, that means that he's scared of it.
आपका दूसरा आधार कार्ड है आपका?
In a controversial turn of events during the fourth phase of Lok Sabha elections, Madhavi Lata, the Bharatiya Janata Party candidate from Hyderabad, ignited a heated debate on Monday. Her request for burqa-clad Muslim women at a polling booth to unveil their faces for identification purposes, aligning them with the photographs on their voter ID cards, sparked immediate controversy. The emergence of a video from the polling booth further intensified the dispute. This incident unfolds amidst a closely watched electoral battle between Madhavi Lata and Owaisi in Hyderabad, a constituency where Owaisi secured a significant victory in the previous Lok Sabha elections. After casting her own vote at Amrita Vidyalaya, Madhavi Lata, the BJP candidate from Hyderabad, embarked on a tour of several polling booths. Her visit took a contentious turn at a polling booth in Azampur, where she took it upon herself to inspect the IDs of women waiting to vote. In a widely circulated video, Lata can be observed requesting a burqa-clad woman to lift her wheel, a request that the woman complies with. Madhavi Lata, the BJP candidate from Hyderabad, defended her actions of checking the IDs of voters, asserting that candidates have the legal right to verify voter ID cards without face masks. As a candidate, I have the right to check the ID cards without face masks. I am not a man, I am a woman, and with humility, I simply requested to see and verify with the ID cards. If someone wants to make a big issue out of it, it indicates they are fearful. Lata said.
लोग ना कुछ ज्यादा ही होशियार कर रहे हैं. 500 मीटर के दूर पे बिना कोई सिंबल के हमारे एजेंट्स बैठकर छोटा सा स्लिप्स दे रहे थे. 500 मीटर पोलिंग बूथ से दूर होना बोल के ज्यादती करके लेके आए हैं. यहाँ का पुलिस का जुल्म है हमारे ऊपर. भैया मैं कैंडिडेट हूँ और एज पर लॉ कैंडिडेट हैज अ राइट टू चेक द आइडेंटिटी कार्ड with the face, without the face mask. I'm not a male, I'm a female, and with lot of humbleness, I've only requested them, can I please see and verify with the ID card? And if somebody wants to make a big issue out of it, that means that he's scared of it.
She further alleged discrepancies in the voters list, criticizing the apparent lack of vigilance by police personnel at the polling station. Lata expressed concern that senior citizen voters were arriving, yet their names had been deleted from the list.
90% of the booths have got compromised. This is what is happening. Police do not want to instruct female constables to check the face and with the voter ID. I am not worried because I have stood up for justice. When I am requesting the police officer, he says it is not his responsibility. He is saying that I requested at least please inform the female constable. He says it is not my responsibility. I will not inform lady constable.
However, her actions have led to legal consequences. The Hyderabad collector confirmed that a case had been filed against Lata at the Malakpet police station under various sections of the Indian Penal Code and the Representation of the People's Act. This isn't the first controversy Lata has been involved in. In April, a video circulated showing her symbolically shooting an arrow towards a mosque during a Ram Navami rally. She later apologized, attributing the incident to an incomplete video clip. With 17 Lok Sabha constituencies in Telangana polling on Monday, such incidents have intensified the electoral atmosphere, raising questions about electoral conduct and sensitivity towards communal sentiments.